Math application. Question. The school assigned 516 trees to 3 classes of students. It is known that there are 14.7 in class 1, 14.8 in class 2, and 14.5 in class 3. How many trees are planted in each of the 3 classes? So this allocation is complying with the proportion. So firstly, we can calculate the total head count of all classes. It's 14.7 plus 14.8 plus 14.5 equal to 114. This is the total number of students. Then we can use the proportion for allocation. So for class 1, we can use 516 multiple 14.7 divided by 114 equal to 118.8. This is the number that will be assigned. Second, 516 multiple 14.8 is divided 114 equal to 119.2. This is class 2. For class 3, it's 516 multiple 14.5 divided by 114 equal to 118. So the answer is class 1, 2, and 3 planted 118.8 trees, 119.2 trees, and 118 trees respectively. Thanks for watching.